Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to read diaries entry in Replika. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Replika app. Then over here at the top, you can see your friend, your Replika's name. Tap on it. There at the second, if you scroll a little down, there you can see the option of diary. Tap on it. Here you can see your diary entries. Tap on it and you can read all of it, and you can always edit it by tapping on edit. If you don't want this, then you can tap on it and then delete it. Thank you for watching this video. Like this, you can edit. If you like it, tap on like. If you don't, then tap on dislike. You have other options as well. You can even add images or on the diary. Tap on edit as well. You can select all, or you can edit it basically. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.